Hi there, students. Mutually exclusive. Okay, this is an adjectival phrase. It's an adjective. If two things are mutually exclusive, they're not possible at the same time. Okay, if two or more things, you can only have one at any one time. That is what is meant by mutually exclusive. Mutual exclusivity as a noun. So to me, it's very clear that the uncontrolled economic growth that there is in our society and a good environment are mutually exclusive. Yeah, you can't have both of them. You can't grow like crazy and look after the environment at the same time. You can only have one at a time. Okay, so mutually exclusive. This involves a situation where two or more events are possible, but if you choose one of them, then the other's not possible. It's like this wonderful phrase, he wants to have his cake and eat it. So imagine you have a piece of cake. You can either keep it, look at my beautiful piece of cake, or you can eat it. But you can't have both, because if you eat it, it doesn't exist. And if it exists, you haven't eaten it. And that's the idea of mutually exclusive. Yeah? Okay, so yeah, she wanted to go to the cinema and I wanted to go to the theatre. So our plans were mutually exclusive if we were going to do it together. Yeah, we could only do one of those things. They were incompatible. Yeah, they were just not compatible with each other. Okay, so yeah, two mutually exclusive events, or three, or 10, means that by doing one of them or choosing one of them, it's not possible to do any of the others. Okay, so incompatible. Okay, if two things are not mutually exclusive, and this is another good way to use this phrase, it means that both things can exist at the same time. So clearly, I don't know, wealth and happiness are not mutually exclusive. I think being poor and being happy, these two ideas are not mutually exclusive. Yeah, they don't clash. They don't conflict. Both can exist at the same time. Okay, so if two things are mutually exclusive, doing one automatically rules out the possibility of the other. Yeah, I think maybe ambition and becoming vastly successful and having kids. I think very often these two things are mutually exclusive. Either you dedicate all of your time to one, or you dedicate all of your time to the other. Okay, so these are mutually exclusive. Yeah, one idea, one possibility excludes any other. Formality. These two things are mutually exclusive. I'm going to give it a 5.5, 5.5 in formality. I think use it absolutely anywhere. And then, okay, exclusive, let's see, the origin, mutually, one or the other. Yeah, and exclusive, to exclude, to rule out. Something that's exclusive. Means that you can't have the thing. So to be excluded, to be pushed out, to be made impossible. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mutually exclusive.